I want to welcome you to our YouTube video discussing Plygem foam back panels. We're going to talk about all the different profile options and all the accessories. We're going to tell you some of the benefits of using foam back panels, and there's a lot of them. We're going to start off right away. Eric here is going to show you a couple of the profiles. He's got one of the most popular. It's a double 6 panel, and you see that it's glued in foam. So it works very well. There's no extra work to do in a drop-in or anything or put sheathing up. We also have a single 7. Which both these products look exactly like real wood, and we'll prove that to you later. So you can see how flat they look. They look awesome with a natural wood grain. So let's show you what else besides the panels. We have a full line of accessories that could be used to make the panels go up so much easier. It does take a special starter strip, and Eric's showing you that, and I'll show you the profile. So that kind of holds the foam off the wall. That's very critical, and you must use that starter strip with the foam back panels. We have outside corners. Let's talk about that. And we're going to show you all the accessories. Eric, point out that there's an 1.25 inch opening on these accessories, and you can put a panel in there maybe, Eric. We can show them. So all the accessories we're going to show you have a special wider opening so that they work perfectly for the foam back panels. So that's exactly what you want to do. You don't have to do anything special. So we'll move on to the inside corner. Again, it looks like an inside corner, but again, you see it has that 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch opening for the panel, so there's nothing special to do. So you got the corners taken care of. We have standard J channels that a lot of people use around windows, and they're an 1.5 inch opening also, 1.25 inch. And then we have a 2 inch wide J channel. I want Eric to put the panel in there. That's really what we should be using with these products because it makes it look like real wood and it fits perfectly in there. So you have a lot of J channel options. We even have a flexible J channel that can be used around wide windows, and he's just going to show you a small piece of it. They come in bigger pieces, but it's made to bend around those round windows that are so popular today. So some of the other designer accents that you can use to make the job look better with the premium panel is a crown mold, and he's showing you that. It's got a soffit receiver, and it looks great on the top of the wall and the eave and the gables, much better than J channel. And you can see what it looks like on top of the panel. So the next thing we want to show you is the lineals that are available. They also have an 1.25 inch opening, and he's showing you in a profile here with the corner, but there's a 3.5 inch you can use for around windows and corner posts and at the top of the wall. And we also have a 5 inch. So either one can be used, but the neat thing that he's showing you here, you can combine it with an insert and you can make a 3-piece corner for your foam back panels from Plygem. And all these parts he has in his hands, all the lineals come in 20 feet length, so you can make it one corner and without overlaps at all. So there's a lot of accessories. Speaking of overlaps, we're going to actually show you that the panels overlap. They do have foam cut back like conventional panels, and you just slide them together until the foam touches, and that's what you do, just like regular horizontal siding. You may want to leave a gap when it gets a little under 40 degrees. So that tells you how the product goes together. Let's wrap up here and kind of tell you really what are the real benefits of foam back panels. There's many, many benefits for the value you're getting. First of all, the most known benefit is the R value. Depending on the profiles, we do have double 6, double 7, double 4, and Dutch lap panels, but since they're glued in, different profiles have different R's. They're going to vary anywhere from 2.5 R to up to 3 R. That's the panel and the foam together. Big benefit. It has very low permeability, so the vapor flows through it. It's resistant to insects, so you don't have any insect problems with your styrene. It is a styrene glued onto the back of that. It does have a solid feel. This is one of the biggest advantages. You have that on the wall. It's not hollow anymore. It's solid, so that anything that impacts it, and it also makes it look and feel better for the homeowner. It also has wider profiles, as we told you before. Most panels are 4 inches. You get a 7-inch profile or a double 6, and that's a big benefit that you can't get with hollow back siding. It's sound deadening. A lot of people don't know that styrene really does resist sound from passing through, so you're going to get a nice benefit from that. Also has a thermal bridging aspect across wood studs, so you have a continuous R value in many areas. And the biggest thing is he's going to show you now, foam back panels from Plygem look more like real wood, almost than real wood, because it's flatter profiles. It doesn't have any cupping to it. And it's also the same wood grain. It's the same depth. It's got a 3/4 inch butt. We didn't talk about that, but the butt height is very important. So it looks exactly like real wood. So these are all overviews of what Plygem has for foam back panels. Please consider them, and please come to some other YouTube videos that we have listed for you.